डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ FEM. प्रोग्राम नेम MSc मैथमेटिक्स फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर. कोर्स नेम discrete mathematics, and session of today is problems on set theory and principle of inclusion and exclusion. So problem is A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Second problem, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Solution: let X be an arbitrary element of A minus B intersection C. Then X belongs to this set. This implies X belongs to A, and in the place of minus X does not belongs to B intersection C. Next, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, or X does not belongs to C. So we can write this. Next, another bracket, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, or X belongs to A taking twice. Next, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to C in next bracket. So X belongs to A minus B, or X does not belongs to A minus C. X does not belongs to A minus X belongs to A minus B, or X belongs to A minus C, or so X belongs to A minus B union A minus C. This implies if X is in A minus B intersection C, or we found X in A minus B union A minus C, it means A minus B intersection C subset of A minus B union A minus C. Now vice versa, X taking into the right hand side, so X belongs to A minus B union A minus C. So open this bracket, X belongs to A minus B, or X belongs to A minus C. This implies X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, or X belongs to A and X does not belongs to C. This implies X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, or X does not belongs to C. This implies X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B intersection C. This implies X belongs to A minus B intersection C. So taking X in A minus B union A minus C, we found this X in A minus B intersection C. So A minus B union A minus C subset of A minus B intersection C. So with these two equations, both will be equal, A subset of B and B subset of A. This means A is equal to B. So from equation 1 and 2 we get A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Next, question number 2. Here set have Cartesian product. So one set is A and another B intersection C. So ordered pair XY belongs to A cross B intersection C. This implies X belongs to A and Y belongs to B intersection C. Again open the bracket and taking Y belongs to B and Y belongs to C, different X belongs to A with the X belongs to A. So XY belongs to A cross B and XY belongs to A cross C. It means XY belonging to A cross B and intersection A cross C, or hence we can say A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Again, law of set theory, commutative law, A union B is equal to B union A, and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Similarly, associative law, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Distributive law A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Similarly, complement law A union A complement is equal to universal set, or A intersection A complement is equal to null set. Identity law A union phi is equal to A is equal to phi union A. A intersection union U universal set is equal to A, or universal set intersection A. Absorption law A union A intersection B is equal to A. A intersection B is equal to A. De Morgan law A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, or A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Involution law A complement to the complement is equal to A itself. So these are the laws of set theory, or these all are hold good. Principle of inclusion: if A and B be sets with cardinality A and cardinality B, then cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A union B. Proof: the number of common elements in A and B is A intersection B. Each of these elements is counted twice in A plus B, once in A and once in B. This should be adjusted by subtracting from A intersection B from cardinality A plus cardinality B. Hence A union B cardinality is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. आशा ये है कि जब हम किन्हीं दो सेट्स का यूनियन फाइंड करते हैं तो यूनियन फाइंड करने के दौरान सारे एलिमेंट्स हम ए के लेते हैं, उसके बाद सारे एलिमेंट्स ए के कंप्लीट एलिमेंट्स लेने के बाद एलिमेंट बी के लिए जाते हैं. उसमें ए और बी में दोनों में जो एलिमेंट्स हैं दो बार हम जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं उनका यूज कर लेते हैं. इसलिए कॉमन एलिमेंट्स का दो बार यूज कर लिया, इसलिए एक बार उसको हम इसमें से एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं और ये इक्वेशन बैलेंस हो जाता है. यूजिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ वी कैन एक्सटेंड द एबव रिजल्ट ऑन द थ्री एलिमेंट्स ए बी सी. A union B union C cardinality is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus A intersection B cardinality minus B intersection C cardinality minus C intersection A cardinality plus A intersection B intersection C. For A union B union C is equal to A union B union C, or applying the above law two times. First for two elements and next for three elements. A union B plus cardinality of C minus A union B intersection C cardinality. A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B plus cardinality of C minus A intersection C union B intersection C. Or after expanding these cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus cardinality of A intersection B minus cardinality of A intersection C, or in bracket cardinality of B intersection C minus cardinality of A intersection B intersection C, applying minus, all sign will be changed and you get the same result as C in above equation. So duality. Next, duality. If S be any identity involving set and operation, example complement intersection and the union etc., and a new set S star is obtained by replacing intersection by union or union by intersection, phi by u and u by phi, in S, then the statement is star is true and is called the dual of the statement S. For instance, duality of A intersection B union A is equal to A. Is A union B intersection A is equal to A. Now example, in a survey conducted on 250 person, it was found that 150 drink tea, 70 drink coffee and 50 take both. How many drink at least one and how many drink neither? So by the formula A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B, and putting these value, hence 200% drink at least one beverage, and 250 minus 200 is equal to 50% drink neither tea nor coffee. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. If you I will resolve it. Thank you very much.